Welcome to FlexClip. You've probably seen AI influencer videos before, but let's be honest, most of them still look fake. Now look at this. Can you tell which is real and which is AI? In this video, I'll share a workflow that keeps your characters consistent and makes the videos so realistic that most people won't even realize they're AI generated. Here's the complete workflow. First, we use a reference image to define the character. Then we generate a consistent face to keep the identity stable. Next, we add motion control to bring the character to life. Finally, I'll show you 3 real use cases where this actually works, and the entire workflow happens inside FlexClip. Let's jump in. Open FlexClip's AI image tool and select Nano Banana Pro. Enter your prompt. I'll leave mine in the comments. Then, choose your resolution and aspect ratio, set how many images you want, and click Generate. In seconds, you'll get 4 AI influencer images to choose from. If you want your influencer image to look more realistic, you can go to Pinterest and search keywords like Instagram models. Look for images with good lighting, clear facial features, and a natural expression. That kind of reference helps the AI generate a face that looks much more real. Now let's try it out. Upload the reference image and enter this prompt. Based on the facial features of this girl, generate a new face that looks different, but still takes inspiration from the uploaded image. Then click Generate. Look at this. It looks insanely real, just like a real influencer. Now let's generate 3 different sets of images with different scenes and outfits. We'll use them later when we demonstrate the different use cases. Next, let's bring the character to life. Go to FlexClip AI Video Generator, choose the Kling 2.6 motion control. Upload the influencer image we just created. FlexClip also offers some of the most popular video templates right now, so you can simply pick one and generate the video with a single click. In this case, we'll choose a dance video to mimic the movement. Select 1080p, click Generate, and let's see how it turns out. Now that you know how to create this kind of video, let's look at what you can actually do with an AI influencer. Now let me show you 3 use cases. One use case is creating a dedicated channel for an AI influencer and sharing their everyday life. Things like trending dance videos or lifestyle content. The second use case is turning your AI influencer into any type of creator. You can build influencers for different niches and also use them for educational content, like fitness coaching or explainer videos. The AI character stays consistent and professional. Don't fit your life. No woman is inconsistent by nature. She's inconsistent when the strategy she's following isn't designed for her. Another powerful use case is creating high-quality UGC ads. You don't need to hire professional influencers anymore. Simply record a video with your product, turn yourself into multiple influencer styles, and create different versions of the same ad. So that's how you can create lifelike AI influencer videos using FlexClip. From viral content to virtual influencers and real commercial use cases. This workflow opens up huge possibilities. Try it yourself in FlexClip and start building your own AI influencer today. Please like and subscribe for more AI videos. See you soon!